I died right now, would you even care a little bit?
Cared? You know, the only thing that makes me sick is knowing that the person that killed my brother is still alive.
Fine, then I'm ready to die. Aaron, please, I'm begging you. Please spare our child's life.
All right, then do as I say. You're gonna kneel and apologize to Rose until you're forgiven.
Apologize to her. She should be apologizing to me.
God, you're so stubborn, you know that? What's stopping you from actually removing this child?
Okay, fine, I'll do it.
And remember, apologize and kneel.
Tiffany, what are you doing here? Didn't I just get a blood transfusion from you? You should rest.
I don't need your fake sympathy.
You know, I can help you get rid of this child right now.
Aaron, wait.
I know, honey, and I'm sorry. It was at work. You're gonna love it, but...
Honey, what's going on? Aaron, what did...
Tiffany Daisy Cartier, you're the absolute love of my life. Will you marry me?
Yes! Aaron!
Oh my gosh.
Aaron!
Tiffany, apologize and kneel. Apologize!
I'm sorry, what did you say? I couldn't hear.
Speak up!
I'm sorry, Rose. It was all my fault.